Welcome to JH. Today we are diving into the world of ienviasposter.com, a site that claims to be your one-stop shop for trending gadgets, fashion, and home essentials. From posture correctors to beauty treatments, they seem to have everything you never knew you needed. It sounds like a shopper's paradise, but before you reach for your wallet, let's see if this place is actually legit or just a digital hallucination. The first thing you'll notice are the on-site reviews, which are so glowing and perfect they practically read like a love letter from the marketing department. Honestly, if a product has zero flaws, that's usually the first sign of a fairy tale. When we move away from their curated bubble and check Trustpilot, the story changes drastically. ienviasposter.com is rocking a staggering 1.4-star rating, which is quite an achievement if your goal is to be avoided at all costs. Most users are screaming scam, reporting that they received cheap, low-quality items that look nothing like the advertisements. Others have complained about being overcharged and dealing with a customer service team that is about as responsive as a brick wall. If you enjoy the thrill of fighting for a refund that will never come, this might be the site for you. Otherwise, it's a total disaster. The red flags keep waving when you look at their shipping policy. They claim it was last updated in June 2023, which is a neat trick considering the domain wasn't even registered until 2024. I didn't realize they offered time travel as a standard feature with their orders. To add to the suspicion, a quick reverse image search shows that their amazing product photos are actually stolen from other websites. It's almost impressive how they've managed to build a storefront without using a single original thought or image. Finally, let's talk about the complete lack of transparency. There is absolutely no information about who owns the company, no names, no photos, and not even a basic About Us page to pretend they're human. They also have zero social media presence, which in 2024 is basically the corporate equivalent of living in an unmarked van down by the river. When you add up the fake history, stolen photos, and abysmal reviews, ienviasposter.com looks like a textbook scam. Do yourself a favor and stay far away from this site. If you found this breakdown helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more honest reviews. Stay safe out there.